Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. In this video, we talk about a very high quality company in which Saurabh Mukherjea has admitted to buying shares every day for the last 9 months. Now friends, we also run a couple of very successful Telegram groups and channels where we discuss profitable stock opportunities. While we are in green on the investing group, we have close to doubled our money on the trading group. If you want to go ahead and join our Telegram groups and channels, please go ahead and open a completely free Upstocks trading and demat account through the link provided in the pinned comment or in the description of the video. You can also choose to join by becoming a channel member by clicking on the join button and following the steps, or by becoming a patron on Patreon. The link for both of these are present in the description of the video. Please watch this video to know more about this stock. Now the company in question is HDFC Bank Limited, which is available at Rs 2245.90 and the face value for it is 2. The symbol for it is HDFC BANK. Now HDFC Bank Limited is a holding company which offers a range of banking services covering commercial and investment banking on the wholesale side and transactional or branch banking on the retail side. It also offers financial services. Now this company is sitting on a gold mine in terms of unlisted subsidiaries like HDFC Credila, HDB Financial Services and also HDFC Securities. Now looking at the 1-year chart, this company was on a beautiful uptrend till about 3/4 into the year, but of late it has had a fall and has been consolidating. The market cap of the company is 6,14,339.43 crores, which means that this company is a large cap one. The EPS of 80.59 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 27.87, which is slightly cheaper when compared with the industry price to earnings ratio of 33.49. However, the better metric to measure it is in terms of the price to book ratio, which is at 3.98 and is slightly expensive. The company has a debt to equity of 0.8971, which is a decent number for a bank, whereas the return on equity is 0.1710. The dividend yield is 0.67%, whereas the promoter holding is 26.25%. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended only to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.